Hey everyone, Mr. Chicken Parm here outside Nonnas 1977 in Astoria. Shout out to Mozzarella Mafia on Instagram for posting a picture from here a couple times. Their picture looked unbelievable, so I'm very excited. One thing to note, the owner was super friendly when I walked in. He asked if I wanted basil on it or not. I said yes. That's the standard sandwich. He said he prefers it without, but just giving you guys a heads up that it has basil on it. So you can see here we got the bread is toasted. Looks like a nice cutlet, which I love. You can see the basil leaves here. Cheese nice and melted. This looks like a phenomenal parm. So let's see how it tastes. Okay. That was really good. That was really good. The sauce is very sweet. The chicken is great. Cutlet form, which I like. Nice breadcrumb coating. The bread is nice and toasted. Tastes fresh. This is all around a very good parm. I'm gonna give it a